How to set up Google Family Link. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you how can you set up Google Family Link. Now to do it, so you want to make sure to first of all open up your devices and then go to your respective app store. After which you want to type in Family Link and make sure to install it. So after you've installed it, so click the open button, and now it's going to ask you to go ahead and continue with your Google account. So make sure to clap on the continue button, and if you're sure about it or if you read the terms and conditions, click the yes button. After which they will actually send you an instructions on what you need to do it. So first of all, you need to get your child's devices and then open settings. For Android devices, you need to go to Google, then go to Parental control. Now once you've actually done it, so you want to click on the done button. As soon as you've done it, so then you need to follow the prompt, and once you've actually followed the instruction, then you'll have successfully set up your Google Family Link. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.